Hi everybody! Today video is from our visit to Ouray Hot Spring in Ouray, Colorado. Surrounded by the stunning San Juan Mountains of western Colorado, the Ouray Hot Springs are located on Main Street at the edge of town, which makes for more peace and quiet and a nice place to relax after a morning of hiking. The property has 3 pools which are geothermally heated, ranging in temperatures from 80 degrees to 106 degrees, which allows the opportunity to hop between pools of different temperatures. Despite being an all-natural swimming facility, these spring waters are sulfur-free and have no lingering odor. Ouray Hot Springs are family-oriented with no nudity allowed. There is a water obstacle course, water slides, shallow areas for non-swimmers, and a separate hot springs pool for adults only. Clean changing rooms, showers, and lockers are available if you choose to use them. Towels are available to buy, but if possible, bring your own towels to save money. Lifeguards are present to keep everyone safe and to ensure that the adults-only pool is kept that way. The community park is adjacent to the hot springs, so it is a great picnic place too. These hot springs are open year-round and are best enjoyed in the colder months. An admission fee of $26 a day for adults between the ages of 18 and 61 years old is required to enter the host springs, $18 a day for seniors between 62 and 74 years old, and $16 for ages 4 through 17 years old. The hours of operation are 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Friday, and 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. on weekends. It is so beautiful and relaxing while sitting in the hot springs looking up at the magnificent mountains all around. A one-of-a-kind experience. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy our video, and please feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our videos or upcoming videos of our travels. We appreciate each and every one of you.